Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Venmo's in-app purchase feature. First off, the requirements for this: you gotta ensure that you have the latest version of the Venmo app installed on your mobile device. You must also have a Venmo account to use the in-app purchase feature. Assuming you meet these requirements, let me show you how to make an in-app purchase. All you need to do is open the Venmo app on your mobile device and then tap the pay icon. That's the green button at the bottom of the screen, and then you want to select in-app purchases from the list of payment options. Now just choose a merchant that accepts Venmo's in-app purchase, and then select the item or service that you want to make purchase from the merchant, and then review the payment details, including of course the amount and the merchant, and just confirm the payment to complete the in-app purchase. Now for in-app purchase partners, all you gotta do is check the Venmo app for a list of participating merchants that accept in-app purchases. You also want to look for the Venmo logo at checkouts to confirm that the merchant accepts Venmo in-app purchases. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Venmo's in-app purchase feature. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.